Lezi indaba zehora lesikhombisa sikwethulela zona bukhoma ekomkhulu le-SABC i-Auckland Park eGoli naze inohlozo kusihlwa nje.
Mad broken at the same time, but I'm also proud for what he did. I know he didn't do it for a reason. He had his reasons why he did it.
Izakhamuzi zaseReha Park eBoksburg ifuna ukwandiswa amaphoyisa endaweni emva kwesehlakalo sokubulawa kwabantu abayisithupha izolo kusihlwa. Umkhuzi wamaphoyisa kuzwelonke uJenene uFani Masimula uhambele kuleya ndawo namhlanje njengoba kuqhutshwa uphenyo.
Renewal becomes very critically important in terms of the survival of the movement.
Owengomengameli we-ANC uThabo Mbeki wexwayise iqembu ngokuthi uqhaqeko lwamalungu ongaphakathi enhlanganweni luzobeka engcupheni ukusimama kwe-ANC.
The reason why we are building this program is because we want renewables. We want them to be in place. Otherwise, we will not be building 14,000 kilometers of new lines.
Uhulumeni uhlela ukuchitha imali engama440 ngamabhiliyoni amarandi uhlelweni lokusabalalisa amandla ogesi kulo lonke izwe. Nabakambombo omnyama uqamula nkomo kuba zilahlekile ziyakufa umdlelo kwaSoshangane libumbene lomkhothi ihora yaphinde yahlangana leyo mhlathi yazanayo siyakhuleka nina bezinyane lengezengeze. Izakhamuzi selokishini iReha Park eBoksburg eGauteng ifuna kwandiswa amaphoyisa kule ndawo emva kwesehlakalo sokubulawa kwabantu abayisithupha izolo kusihlwa. Abantu abangaziwa abebehamba ngezimoto ezimbili bavulele ngentululwane eyinhlamvu kwashona abayisithupha kwalimala abathathu. Umphakathi waseReha Park uthi izigameko zokuhlasela kule ndawo sekuyinto evamise ukwenzeka.
Owesilisa obeneminyaka engama-29 ubudala udele impilo yakhe evikela usana lwakhe beluphethe ngesikhathi bedutshulwa. Inhlamvu ingene kuye yaceza engalweni kusana lwakhe.
Mad broken at the same time, but I'm also proud for what he did. I know he didn't do it for a reason. He had his reasons why he did it. To save our child. Upon arrival, we found the dad lying on top of his child. We had to take out our nephew underneath his father.
The police team that is deployed here for stabilization, they will remain here and work here to make sure that there is stability in this community. Number two, I will bring in another investigation team that will come and investigate cases of Reha Park. Number three, of course, I'm also asking the community to work together with that investigation team so that we can arrest these few individuals that is causing havoc in this community.
Oyikhansela lendawo uthe kungenzeka ukuthi lesi sigameko sihlobene kakhulu nalabo abashushumbisa ngezidakamizwa kanye namaqembu ezigelekeqe.
There was a shooting last week, and I think it stems from there, because I cannot put my head to it as to what was the actual cause of this whole massacre.
Amaphoyisa ayaqhubeka nophenyo lokuthungatha abasolwa.
Umasipala waseGeorge esifundazweni Western Cape exwayisa abashayeli abahamba emgwaqeni omkhulu N2 eGaimanspass ngase-Wilderness. Lokhu kulandela ingozi ebandakanya amaloli amabili aphazamisa ukuhamba kwezimoto kulomgwaqo. Kunxusa abashayeli bezimoto ukuthi babekezele njengoba omunye umzila wokuphuma nokungena kulomgwaqo ungasebenzi. Abashayeli banxuswe nokuthi bayigweme le ndawo njengoba bezimo eziphuthumayo besematasa kuyona. Umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa ubize abaholi bamaqembu angaphansi kohulumeni wobumbano iGNU emhlanganweni oseKrugersdorp eGoli. Lokhu kulandela ukungaboni ngasolinye kwakamuva kanye nokusolwa kwabathile ngaphakathi emaqenjini ayishuma ngaphansi kwayo iGNU. Ngesonto ledlula amaqembu acikisa imigomo yokusebenza emisha ebiholwa iphini likaMengameli wezwe uPaul Mashatile okukhulumela iPAC uApapu oyingxenye yalomhlangano.
We expect that the recently approved terms of reference for the clearinghouse, which essentially deals with disputes within the government, how we are going to handle such, We have recently seen in the past that you would have parties going out accusing each other or attacking government and all of that. Now we have developed a mechanism on how to deal with such issues. So what is expected to be discussed at this party political leaders meeting of the GNU, amongst others, would be the terms of reference to deal with that.
Owakwaba umengameli we-ANC uThabo Mbeki wexwayise iqembu ngokuthi uqhekeko lwamalungu ngaphakathi enhlanganweni luzobeka engcupheni ukusimama kwe-ANC. Ubekhuluma esithangamini sesifundo ngezombusazwe sophiko lwezingwevu zeqembu ebesiqhubeka eNelson Mandela Bay esifundazweni i-Eastern Cape. Ukhuthaze kakhulu ukuthi kugxilisa uhlelo lokuvuselelwa kabusha kwayo i-African National Congress.
Maqala e-ANC Mbeki uthi kukho abo babuyisela mva lombutho kwangaphakathi kulombutho. Uthi lombutho awunako ukusombulula imingeni yelizwe de uzivuselele wona ngokutsha. Uthi utshintsho maluqale ezansi kumasebe alombutho.
But renewal becomes very critically important in terms of the survival of the movement. And in a sense takes priority over everything else. Because without this instrument, the ANC, we are unable to solve any of our problems. Not a single major problem will solve without this organization called the ANC.
Iphiko lamaqala kulombutho belishukuxa ukwehla kwenkxaso yalombutho kwaneyanhlukwano yangaphakathi.
Being in power is rapidly becoming a source of political bankruptcy in that members of the ANC fight for deployment either as councillors, MPLs and MPs respectively, as if there is no tomorrow.
Lenhlanganiso ikwave ukuba ukungabikho kozinzo kwigingqi iNelson Mandela Bay kubangelwa kungaboni ngasonye kwinkokheli zalombutho.
In timeline ekuthiwa within 6 weeks we should be able to embark on a program. So siyenzile ke lo commitment apha phakathi sonke sivuma amabakala esinawo sivuma into kuba siza kwenza ngcono ngaphambili.
Kwindaba ze-SABC ndingusisipho Ncumbe eGqeberha.
Uhulumeni ohlelo ukuchitha imali engamakhulu amane namashumi amane ngamabhiliyoni amarandi ohlelweni lokusabalalisa amandla ogesi kulo lonke izwe. Ungqongqoshe wezogesi nezamandla uDokotela Hosiyenso Ramokgopa uthi lo mkamo uzosungula amathuba omsebenzi uphinde usimamise nomnotho wala eNingizimu Afrika.
Ungqongqoshe wezogesi uDokotela Hosiyenso Ramokgopa utshele izinkampani zokukhiqiza nokwakha ukuthi izinhloso zamandla ogesi zincike kakhulu ekuphuthumiseni ukuthuthukiswa kohlelo lengqalasinda yogesi. Uthi nakuba amalahle neqhaza limqoka ekukhiqizeni ugesi, kodwa ugesi ongayini ukubeza imvelo uzolekelela kakhulu ekudlondlobaliseni umnotho wezwe.
You have seen that the projection, 7 provinces, there will be rain again in the Northern Cape. Now you are going to have electricity because of coal. I'm not diplomatic. I think our encounter with the truth is a minimum requirement for us solving the problem. So familiarity with the truth is important. You might not like coal. You're going to cook, and that's coal. So I'm just saying this, the sooner we accept that is important. But does that mean we must relinquish this? No. Because the reason why we are building this program is because we want renewables. We want them to be in place. Otherwise, we will not be building 14,000 kilometers of new lines because the existing lines are sufficient to draw from the installed capacity.
Uthi lolu hlelo lukahulumeni lokukhiqiza ugesi IRP luzokhiqiza amandla ugesi athe xaxa ngonyaka u-2039. Uthi lokhu kuzofezekiswa ngokukhiqiza ugesi ngomoya, igesi kanye namandla enuzi.
We take a dim view of those who want to undermine our transformation objectives, an exceptionally dim view. And I was saying that given the lessons from the IPP program, I think we're going to correct that situation.
uRamokgopa uqhube wathi lolu hlelo luzosatshalaliswa nakwezinye izingxenye zezwe.
Mbukele sasiqoyito lana mabesibuya sizokuphathela udaba oluthi.
The city has a strong case, and we believe that the the proposals that we presented to Siri, which the judge also requested that we submit to him, are likely to form part of the judgment.
Inkantolo ephakeme yaseGoli kulindeleke ukuthi kusasa ikhiphe isinqumo odabeni lombango wokususwa kwabathengisi emgwaqeni esenkabeni yedolobha. Asikubongile sikwamukele mbukeli mosana kungena udabeni oluphambili besibike ukuthi izakhamuzi zaseRega Park eBoksburg ifuna ukwandiswa amaphoyisa endaweni emva kwesehlakalo sokubulawa kwabantu abayisithupha izolo kusihlwa. Umkhuzi wamaphoyisa kuzwelonke uJenene ufani Masimula uhambelele indawo namhlanje njengoba kuqhutshwa uphenyo. Mbukela sikhumbuzo ukuthi lezi ndaba oyizibukayo njengamanje ziyatholakala ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus. Wena kumele ukwenze ngena kuzo uyicinga amagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani ukhona uza kwethu osevivile ukuthi akufakele zona. Mayiphela nje uzobe sekufakela.
iSABC ikusakazela bukhoma ingqungquthela yeG20 SA 2025.
Inkantolo ephakeme eGoli kulindeleke ukuthi kusasa ikhiphe isinqumo odabeni lombango wokususwa kwabathengisi emgwaqeni esenkabeni yedolobha iGoli.
Imeya seGoli uTata Morero ukholelwa ekutheni umkhandlu dolobha ukhohla ngothini olingafanele njengoba ususe labo abathengisa ngokungemthetho edolobheni iGoli.
The city has a strong case, and we believe that the proposals that we presented to Siri, which the judge also requested that we submit to him, are likely to form part of the judgment because they are fair, they're genuine, and the intention is really, firstly, to ensure that we strengthen informal trading by ensuring that it's in the right places.
Serithi laba bathengisayo kufanele bavunyelwe ukuba basebenze nasemgwaqeni De Villiers.
Where traders were removed, they were removed unlawfully. They have been trading there for years. Since the 2013 Constitutional Court judgment, which ordered that the city's conduct was unlawful.
Abanye balaba osekuneminyaka beyithengisela enkabeni yedolobha bathi umkhandlu dolobha wephula amalungelo abo okuba bakwazi ukondla imindeni yabo.
Later came back to us and said we are foreigners. That's why they are moving everybody there. And then they said we should go to their office and verify our papers. We went and do so. After verifying, they came back to us and say, no, it's not true. Everybody who's trading in the villas is a foreigner.
Kusenjalo, umkhandlu dolobha umile ekutheni laba bathengisayo ngokungemthetho kufanele bahlonzwe umnyango wezasekhaya ngaphambi kokuba babekwe endaweni abangasebenzela kuzo. Inkantolo kulindeleke ukuthi ikhiphe isinqumo kulolu daba kusasa.
Njengoba abafundi bakaMatriculation kuzwelonke bezophothula ivivinyo zabo zokuphela konyaka kunembono ehlukene ngembhiyozo yabafundi edume kakhulu ngokuthi iPens Down. Inhlangano ezehlukene ikhala ngokuphepha kwabafundi ngalesikhathi sokwenziwa kwama-Pens Down kanti kunxuswa abazali kanye nabanikazi beindawo zokucima ukoma ukuthi bangagqugquzeli izenzo ezifana nalezi.
During this time we have the festive season campaign that we are also conducting to make parents aware of the dangers of alcohol and drugs, and also educate them on the various types of drugs and how to identify a child who's using drugs. We also have a program where we will be now engaging the liquor outlets owners, that your taverns and so forth, so that we ensure that they don't allow children into their taverns and they don't allow them to buy alcohol.
Abanikazi bemfuyo kwamashashana ePulungwane bakhathazekile ngokubiwa kwemfuyo kungasalawuleki kuleya ndawo. Abalimi sebelahlekelwa amakhulu enkomo nezimvu ezinyangeni ezimbalwa ezedlule. Amaphoyisa athi ayazama ukulwa nalesihlava.
uMasinya Rafapa usedayisa izinkomo iminyaka nekuyinto aziphilisa ngayo. Uthi uselahlekelwe imali eningi ngenxa yokwebiwa kwezinkomo zakhe ezishumi emasontweni amabili edlule. Uthi uselahlekelwe imali engaphezulu kwezinkulungwane ezikhulu zamarandi njengoba inkomo ngayinye emakhaya ibiza izinkulungwane ezishumi zamarandi.
Lahlekelwe ke dikgomo tse 11.
Uthi ulahlekelwe izinkomo ezishumi uthi uselahlekelwe imali eningi kakhulu nekuyimali aphilisa ngayo umndeni wakhe njengoba engasebenzi. Uthi unezingane ezisafunda ezidinga imali. Abanye abalimi bathi ngale kokubikela amaphoyisa lolu daba kodwa kwebuya kwemfuyo kuyaqhubeka. Uthi ulahlekelwe izinkomo ezisihlanu bezimithi ngaleso sikhathi. Uthi bazithungathile nezingane kodwa abazange bazithole. Uthi okwesibili elahlekelwa imfuyo yakhe. Uthi ukwazisa amaphoyisa akuzange kumsize ngalutho. Amaphoyisa athi imfuyo engenalo uphawu kwenza kube nzima ukuyihlonza uma yebiwe.
We've got a problem of our livestock owners not actually brand marking or tattoo marking their livestock, and that makes it very difficult for the investigators, even if you were to actually recover them. Most of the time the livestock thieves, after they steal, they do the brand marking immediately.
Kusenjalo abalimi ezindaweni ezifana seMakopane, Lephalale kanye naSinyani nabo bakhala esifanayo ngokwebiwa kwemfuyo yabo.
Umnyango wezempilo esifundazweni Eastern Cape useyinhlolweni zokuhlela kabusha isibhedlela eselapha isifo sofuba empilweni eGqeberha ngenhloso yokuthi sibe isibhedlela sesifunda, lokho kuze emva kokuthi kube nokukhathazeka kubantu ngokugcwala kwemitholampilo kanye nezibhedlela kuleya ndawo.
Ukubhideka nonxunguphalo yinto yarhoqo xana aba bahlali bedinga unyango. Ukutyelela iziko lonyango yinto ibenza uvalo njengoko beyazi ukuba bangaphuma bengakhange badibane noncedo.
Iclinic andithi and xa usiya eclinic bacela uba hayi khona ukugcwele izangomso.
I'm sure the ambulance always take long to come out there in the rain, and as well the medicine, there's a lot of people that's also sick there, so the clinic, the mobile clinic used to come, but it doesn't come anymore.
Yona mingeni engathi yenze nzima ukusombulula ezingxaki.
It is that the number within this area, the catchment area, is exponentially grown. They are now sitting at 300, almost 350 to 355,000 people that they are servicing. So that is a huge number of people that being serviced within the Ward 4 and the Ward 3 area.
Ebelezonyango lethi izicwangciso zalo zokuphucula udluliso lwenkonzo sele sineziphumo ezincomekayo.
Le ndawo yethu inkulu but ayinayo i-district hospital, isibhedlele apho banokwazi ufumana khona i-services for 24 hours. I-department ikwiphulo ke lotshintsha enye yezibhedlele ekuthiwa Impilweni ebikade senza iTB.
Lisebe likwaqale inkqubo apho izigulane zikwazi ukuthi ziyokuthatha amayeza kwindawo ezibekelwe oku zingakhange zibe ziya kwiziko lezonyango. Kwindaba ze-SABC ndingu-Anda Nqonji eGqeberha.
Iphalamende liphinde lethula isondo lokulwisana nesifo sofuba libambisene nomnyango wezempilo kanye nomkhandlu obhekele ukulwisana negciwane lengculazi iSouth African National AIDS Council.
Uhlelo lokuqwashisa ngesifo sofuba liyabuya ngenhloso yokuzama imizamo yokulashwa kwalesi sifo.
We are reforming it again and asking members of parliament this time around, please don't let it disappear. You are aware that we have launched an NTB campaign where we must test 5 million people for tuberculosis annually.
Iphalamende lizimisele ngokubeka lolu hlelo eqhulwini.
This relaunch is a call of action. It affirms that Parliament will not stand by while TB continues to claim lives every single day.
Izinhlaka ezibandakanyekayo kulolu hlelo zinethemba lokuthi luzothela izithelo futhi kutholakale nekhambi ngonyaka ka-2030.
The establishment and strengthening of the South African TB caucus is a critical step in mobilization of the political will that is required to meet the national and global targets to end TB. The department, together with the National Institute for Communicable Diseases and National Health Laboratory Services, we launch what we call near live TB public facing dashboard. That dashboard is going to help you. All these 5 million people who are going to be tested, you'll be able to follow up.
ngoba isikhathi sisekhona bengizoqhubeka ngwethulele lezi ndaba. Kusasa kodwa ke ukhona uDawud Emini kanti ebusuku uzobe khona uNoxolo. Usale kahle.